Welcome again to Budget with Brian. But let's get into the game at the moment of looking at tapes. You might think a tape is a tape is a tape. Well, here's our first tape, and sure enough, it is a tape. It's got a standard lock off. It's a 5-meter tape. This is one of FXX branded tapes, and it's been pretty useful in its use. The next one I'm going to show you is a chunky tape, standard lock off again, inches and metric. Again, it's been okay in its use. It's a cheaper version. It's branded by somebody. The next one I'm going to show you is one that I promised I'd review, the Optimaxx. And this one has got a couple of very useful features, which I'll show you in a moment. But the main one that I like is that it's locked off all the time. And if you want to retract the tape, you push the button to release it. That's different to the others. This one's a 5-meter one. Then you come to a Stanley. This is in a Optimaxx. It is an 8-meter version. It's had a bit of life. It's lasted okay. It's metric and inches. It's okay. It's got the standard lock off. But our latest purchase is a Milwaukee. This is an 8-meter version, and this has got a number of features on it. It starts off with you can lock the blade off with your finger underneath, and when you release it, it comes back on its own, or you can lock it out as normal. Difference with this one is that this is a metric only one, although it is available with inches, metric on both sides. So this is metric both sides. This one has also got a scaling device, so you can scale off drawings on site. But its most practical feature is one I'm going to demonstrate straight away, because I think this is pretty good. So I've got something I want to measure from that distance. One of the things that we can do is we can see if it'll get out there without folding over. And the trouble is most of them don't. But this one's got a magnet on the end. Look at that. Now the only other way of doing that, with if you're on your own, is perhaps with a laser. And I quite often use a laser, but that's pretty useful for a tape. So that's a beautiful feature. It's got nylon coating on it, which I guess is going to make it last infinitely longer. So those are our tapes. Obviously we would buy these and throw them about and all the rest of it. The Optimaxx looks the business, I have to say. But that's a 5-meter tape. The Stanley is well known in the market. The Milwaukee looks to me to have most of the best features, but everything comes at a cost. You can get one of those or 3 of those in a packet for about the same money. 8 meters is good. The features on the Milwaukee are good, but to top up your tape measure stock, so to speak, I'd have a few of these in my drawer as well. Don't know what you think. Thank you again for watching Budget with Brian. Don't forget, subscribe and add any comments.